Nom, nom, nom. You're dumping food.
That's crazy.
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
All right. We got it.
There you go.
Okay, I think you can chuck the apple at this one. Because we're close enough. Huh?
More fun if you eat out of your hand, though. Take the apple. Oh, shit. Hey, you. Hey. I think it's probably like stomach ache. That's surgery.
Maybe that's the one that had diarrhea.
That might be. Let's do that one. Pretty cool.
Can Daddy do it?
Miniature donkey.
Oh, look at the one in the back.
Feed me.
Uh,
Silly donkeys. Donkey donkeys.
Food now.
So rude.
You're a Italian, aren't you?
Mm.
Maybe.
Now.
Boom. Oh. Sit.
Want some? Good stuff, huh?
If it looks like a horse, eat it with a flat hand. Fingers can get nipped.
I do it in general, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Hey, you. That's the food. You have to use apples for reindeer too.
What's that one llama video from like 10 years ago on YouTube? Charlie?
I don't remember.
You know what I'm talking about, right? No? We love apples.
Give him a piece of apple.
Hey, don't get me.
He's like, throw it on this side. Nom nom nom.
More.
You have to put it through there.
That worked too.
The best thing is fly hand everything.
No mas. I have to save one slice for the camel.
The camel's over there. Oh, look at the little tiny goats. Oh. Justin, do you see those little goats?
That's funny. Should I do this? The goat walked away. Want the cups for any reason?
If we're allowed to keep them, yeah. At least one of them. You're gonna give it to the camel?
Yeah. You want my green? What about the apple core? Can you feed them that?
Probably. He eats apple cores.
Oh, mommy is so cute. Oh,
Oh.
God, look at the female one.
The teeth that stick out.
It's my food.
Good paper, huh?
That'd be funny if it spit at him.
Mommy, hey, mommy, look at the baby one.
The apple tasted kind of funny.
That wasn't an apple. No more apple.
Crazy.
Mm.
No apple, no touch. Baby.
Mm-hmm.
We're not running around. It's so easy. It's on the goat.
Missed the giant Flemish rabbits.
Hmm?
We missed the giant Flemish rabbits.
I didn't remember seeing rabbits.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, there's a pheasant over there.
Look at that. So get up.
Get out of my way.
What's that all about?
Oh, it's little paws.
Much more experienced than I am, clearly.
Ew, it pooped.
Let's go down there, because I should go in here.
And then say goodbye.
Well, they had all gotten out, so I was trying to get in there.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, look at that. Look at that chunk. Oh, we can probably go in this way to see more of them. It's so cute how it's laying. Oh, look at that. Just cuddle up into my own fluff. Big old bunnies. That looks bigger than Butters or Rubes.